Hello everyone. So let's say I want to read the file and also write the file at the same time in the same program for some reason. Okay. So let's say I want to write these lines to the file and I just want to read whatever the contents of the file are. I have opened this in write mode. Okay. So if I simply execute this file over here, okay, I will get this error. That is unsupported operation. It is not readable because I have opened this in W mode. So now if I want to do this, I have to use a mode called as W plus. W plus allows me to write as well as read from the file. Now there is one more interesting thing that happens here. Let's see. When I run this file, I get blank output. Why this is so? Because when I am writing the contents to the file, the read write head begins at the position 0. It writes everything, and in my file it goes to the end. Okay, so my file is technically not blank. As you can see, these are the contents of the file, but my read write head is at the end. The cursor is at the end, so it cannot read anything. So if I want to read the contents, I have to use a function called as seek. So I will say file.seek 0. This will reset the position of the read write head, okay, or the cursor in simple words. Okay, so now if I run this, I am able to write the contents as well as I'm able to read the contents. Now similarly, like W plus, there is another mode called as read plus. Now what is the difference between W plus and read plus is, let's say if I remove this file demo.txt, if I delete it, and now if I run this program with R plus mode, what do you expect to get? Okay, you will get no such file or directory, file not found error. Just like you get when you open the file in read mode and try to read a file which does not exist. So if you try to read the file which does not exist, you will get file not found error. However, if I open the same thing in W plus mode, okay, then, and the file is still not there over here, okay. So if I open it in W plus mode and if I run this, then the file gets created, okay. So as you can see over here, the file is created just now. Okay, the file gets created and the contents are written to the file and they are read. So that is the difference between R plus and W plus. Apart from that, there are many similarities. So for example, if I open the file in R plus mode, it acts like write mode in a way that if I run this again and again, as you can see, it is not appending anything. Okay. So whereas if I open it in A plus mode, if I open it in A plus mode, which is also another mode possible, as you can see, it will go on appending the contents every time I'm running the program. Okay. So that those are the three modes: R plus, A plus, W plus. Again, A plus will also create the file if it is not there. So for example, if demo.txt is not there, okay, and if I try to run this, it will create the file and it will append it. So W plus and A plus, they create the file if it does not exist, just like W and A mode would. And I think the point is clear from this program. If you have any questions, any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.